Welcome guys, welcome to the channel. Yeah man, so my location today is in St. Elizabeth. Yeah man, one place them call name Happy Grove. Yeah man, so I'm right across from the Happy Grove Primary School in St. Elizabeth. Yeah man, so I'm heading towards the New Market area. So big up on yourself, anyone I watch from yard and abroad, you can big up on yourself. So let us take on this journey to the New Market area. So I'm in the Happy Grove area. So this is what our beautiful island look like, Jamaica. That's up on the countryside, you know. Yeah man, on the countryside, you know, country give you a different type of look from the town area. For the country, there's a whole heap of different types of fruit trees and different houses. You know, on the countryside, we have a different types of houses. Yeah, man. So big up to all the country people. Then big up on yourself. Anyone there, big up on yourself to all the country lovers. Them. Yeah, man. Big up all the person who love town too. So when you're in the Happy Grove area, I think it's about 10 minutes drive to the New Market area. But normally I reach one place them call name Louisville. Yeah man, so anybody go to the Louisville High School, you can remember that area there. So leave in the comment section if you've ever been to the Louisville area. And also they have a food market up in the Louisville area, this, you know, a wholesale food market. So on a special day, I don't remember the day, if it's on a Monday early morning, like at 4 or 5 o'clock in the early morning, you can go to that location, they get fresh vegetables, ground food at a wholesale price. So if you have the time and you feel like you don't want, come to them area, if you get food at a reasonable price, you can go to the Louisville market. Yeah man, so if you look out for the bike guys them on the road, you know, look out for the bike guys them on the road. When them a speed, them a speed. Yeah man. Look out for some patrol in that area. Look out for the patrol them. Enough time the people them a drive through the hills, them go to the Montego Bay airport. Them a speed. So you have to be careful, them area full of patrol. See there? Patrol like crazy. So leave in the comment section with paper and tell me if you know that area. I'm going to tell me if you skip out a lot of patrol, you know. don't want to jump in on patrol today no, because don't want to buy no tire. Also, I don't want to lick up the front end. So I'm gonna make the left turn, which will take us up to the Louisville High School area. Yeah man, so on your right you have the Green Valley Apostolic Church. Can bet you say enough people don't know say there's a gas station in this area. Live fish, there's still a live fish over that side. So this is the Louisville market. Yeah man, this is what it look like, you know. Yeah man, so take a view of the place and see what I go on. Here so them have the wholesale market. Don't remember the exact day of the week. Place looking clean too. Love how them keep up the place. You know, some place choose a market area see a lot of garbage, but here it's a very clean area. Leave in the comment section if you think say it's a clean area. You have a barber shop. So in the middle of it, this is where you have the vendors them that put out them stuff. So around it you have a barber shop, you have a bar, and you can get a nice view up in the mountain. There is the Louisville mountain. I tell you, so I can't left out my country, you know man. I love my country so bad. Anyway at all, I know it's Jamaica. Jamaica always nice, beautiful. Yeah man, so enjoy it with your tour guide Fire Reid. On your left will take you all to the Louisville High School. Yeah man, them places are always full of vendor. All of the street here is full of vendor. See one sign where they say no vendoring on Sunday. So on Sunday daytime I think you're going to see no vendor there. Yeah man, so the thing set, you know. So I'm right at the entrance at the Louisville High School. man, so this is the view of the area. Good for there some gas station at the place, and that's some location where you feel like so we can't get no gas to buy. Because this is a good location, because if you come to market and you want to get your gas, you can't go wrong right here, so. So I'm gonna make the left turn, which will take you all to the New Market area. Watch them corner still, you know. Look out on the eyes on not drive by them road now. Watch them corner here. So we can't forget where we come from in our life, you know. Enough people forget where they come from. But Fire Reid will never forget where it's coming from. So I'm very close to the New Market town area. Very, very close. See the sign right here. Welcome to New Market. Yeah man, so always look out for the landmark them. So them town here at evening time. Them town here kinda closed down, you know? Them locked down for early. Not a busy town. Yeah man, so you can have an understanding how the place set up. Big up yourself, driver, big up yourself. Yeah man, get the youth to my blind at the streets. So the thing set, you know. So thank you all for watching the channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.